Okay, my name is Dan and I'll show you how to install BPMS. When you put the CD-ROM in, this is in Windows XP, you will see it in your CD-ROM drive and you can double click to open, and you will notice that you have PDF files, your manual, installation instructions for SQL Server as well, and just simple getting started. So let's double click the setup exe file or right click to open. When you say right click, you can use the menu to open. In Windows 7, in this menu, when you right click, you will also have run as administrator. This is how you have to, when install setup exe file, BPMS installation file, you will have to run as administrator this, okay? So in Windows XP, I'll just say open. It will get me to the blue screen. I will size it down so we can see it on the screen. And I will say agree to this license agreement prompt. I'll go next on welcome screen. And this part is telling me that I do have the runtime. Actually, I do have the Microsoft Access version 2003. In case I didn't, this prompt would default to yes for installing the runtime version of Microsoft Access. So we'll be keeping it at no here. I'll go next, and this is the front-end prompt. Even if you install this for your office on many computers, you will install the front end in program files, BPMS 6a, so accept the default, go next. This is the location of a backend folder. In case you're doing this on the network, you want to actually put your backend on the network, you will use browse, and of course you will use your drives here. They will be mapped here. So you will eventually use a different drive, and then you can, in case you didn't create the folder for it, then you can just type it in here and you can create the new folder basically to install the backend in. I will accept the default though, because right now I don't actually have any network other than my A drive and my CD-ROM. So it's only my C drive here. I'm going to accept the default then, and it will go to program files BPMS 6AD. I'll go next. It will install this version 605. I am deliberately installing an older version because I want to later show the update, how to update your software. So I'll go next, and this will take some time. It's just basically installing the files to appropriate folders. In Windows 7, when you actually start installation, you may get some security prompts that you should confirm. Basically, you accept all the information that you've been told through Windows 7 environment. So I'm going to hit finish here. I'll be back at my Explorer, and actually two icons got created on my desktop. I'm going to close out of this, and I'm going to open BPMS by double clicking here on the icon. It will tell me for the first time it's running it, so it wants to refresh links to the database to create those links. So I'm going to say OK. OK, it says that the new links to the database have been created, and the database was created successfully. I am actually running a trial version here, so it actually prompted me here to put the register and put the key. I need to do this by clicking register, and then I will be putting out the product key. Okay, your product key would be on your CD-ROM jewel case, so I will put some made up number here. And okay, so now you will be given basically next prompt to customize BPMS. You will open up the customize section. I don't have to go through it right now, but it will come customized to a degree for your region. Right now it says Canada, Ontario, but if you're in states it will say the USA, and you will be able to pick the state. As well, there is other things here that you will need to customize. We will talk about this later. Now in file locations, it will show you the location of the backend data. In case you ever need to change it, you can click on the browse button, and you can just basically go, and if you have other drives, you can certainly go and use it and put it on some other network drive. So that's where this is done. Okay, I'm going to cancel out of it. I'm not going to run reminder at this time. So this is it for now. This is how to install BPMS. Next session I'll show how to update your software, because currently you see that the version here is 605Z. And what you see in brackets, that's actually showing you the version of your Microsoft Access. In my case, it's 2003 Access. Okay, that's it for now. Dan from BPMS. Bye now.